Hey guys, what's goody? In this video we're going to go over how to use modals and how you guys can create a portal to be able to use that modal in your React app. So first of all, you're going to need to install a React router. That's what we're going to be using for this app. So you can just do that doing here. I already have it, so it's just going to update it for me. Okay, so once you have that, just come over here. We're going to import three things. We're going to import link, route, and browser router. So if you want to know more about React Router, you can go check out my other videos on React Router specifically. But for this one, we're just going to be using it kind of like a tool to be able to show the modals. Okay, so we'll get rid of this, and we'll go browser router, and then in here, we're going to have our route. I had to close tag. And then we'll set the path equal to, let's just say /modal. And then is equal to, we're going to make a component named modal show. Okay, and then we'll import that here. We haven't created this yet. We're going to create it really quick. So let's just go /modal show. That's actually a lowercase m. Okay, so now let's create that really quick. So let's come over here. Yeah, because we haven't created it. It's going to show an error. We'll go modal show.js. And let's make this just a functional component. So modal show. Let's just put this for now. Okay, so one more thing that we need for our React router, we need a link in here. So we'll go link. We need to specify the path. This one's going to be to that /modal path. And we'll just go, we'll name the button modal show. Okay, oh, so my bad. In browser router, you can only have one child element, so we need to make a div. Okay, so now if you click on this, it will show the modal, okay? So you can see how the route changed, right? Alright, so now to get our modal to get working, we're going to create another file inside of our source called modal.js. And then inside of this one, we're going to import React from React like normal. And then a little bit different, we're going to import React DOM from React DOM. And then we're going to make a functional component. So const modal is equal to props as an argument. And then we're going to return something a little different. So we're going to do React DOM dot create portal. And then in here we're going to return the first thing. So it's kind of like when you're doing your index.js, you know how you first return app and then you select the root element in your HTML file, which is in public. We're going to do something similar. So we'll do a div, and then inside this div we'll do another one, and we'll just do some random text. So to give this modal some style, we're going to be using semantic UI. So you can go over here and go semantic UI CDN. And just search for semantic.min. Okay, copy this link and come over to your index.html, and we're going to create a new link here. Link. Let's go to style sheet, and then href is equal to paste. Okay, so that should work for your semantic UI now. So in here we'll do a class name, UI dimmer modals visible active, and then in here we'll do a class name of UI standard modal visible active. Okay, so now what we need to do is target the div element of modal. So now what we need to do is go into our index.html, come down by this root, and we're going to create another div, okay, and then we're going to give it an ID of modal. And then here we'll do something similar to like our index.js JS, and we'll do document.query selector, and we'll do pound modal. Okay, and then can't forget to export. Okay, so now we'll go to our modal show. We'll import modal from modal. Oh, and then let's show the modal here. So you click modal show, and then you get this nice modal. So what you normally would like is that you can click out here, and then that it will go back to the normal home page, right? And usually you'd have this like on a delete, so you hit delete and then it'll pop up, and then it'll have an option like, do you really want to delete? So that's when you would add all that in here, right? You can do a button, and then it would handle all that delete stuff, right? And then here it'd be like, are you to delete? So in the next video, we're just going to go over quickly, if you click out, then it will go back to the home page, or if you click inside the modal, then it won't do anything, and it'll stay inside the modal.